Hello, plant lovers. Welcome back to the Beautiful Luxury, your go-to channel for gardening and interior space management. Have you been struggling to grow herbs at home? Chances are you're making a few common mistakes. But don't worry, today we'll reveal how to fix them and help your herbs thrive. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on expert gardening tips. Herbs that people grow wrong. Let's dive into the most commonly misgrown herbs and how to fix them. 1. Basil. Overwatering and planting in too much shade might be why it's not thriving, but you can fix this. Basil thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. Water moderately and always pinch off flowers to keep the leaves flavorful. Second common mistake is planting directly in the garden, thereby allowing it to spread uncontrollably. Easy fix. Always grow mint in a pot to prevent it from taking over your garden. Keep it in partial shade for the best flavor. 3. Cilantro, coriander. You might be growing cilantro in hot weather, causing it to bolt. You can fix this. Cilantro prefers cooler temperatures. Plant it in partial shade and harvest frequently to delay flowering. 4. Rosemary. Did you know that overwatering and planting in poor draining soil can affect your rosemary from thriving? Here is an easy fix. Rosemary loves dry, sandy soil. Water sparingly and give it plenty of sunlight for strong, fragrant growth. 5. Lavender. Planting in rich, moist soil can lead to weak fragrance in lavender. Here is a simple: use well-draining, sandy soil and place it in full sun. Avoid excessive watering. 6. Oregano. Did know that overwatering and fertilizing too much, weakening its flavor of oregano? Oregano prefers dry, nutrient-poor soil with lots of sunlight. Let the soil dry between watering. 7. Thyme. Growing in heavy, wet soil that causes the root of thyme to rot. You can fix this by using light, well-draining soil and water sparingly. Thyme thrives in full sun. 8. Parsley. Not soaking the seeds before planting, leading to poor germination. Soak parsley seeds overnight before planting. Grow in full sun for the best yield. 9th, chives. Planting in poor soil and neglecting to divide them. Grow chives in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Divide clumps every few years for healthy growth. Here are some additional herbs people struggle with. 10. Dill. Planting in the wrong season. Dill hates extreme heat, so you must grow dill in cool weather in full sun and avoid transplanting. Dill dislikes root disturbance. 11th, sage. Overwatering, leading to root rot. Sage thrives in dry, well-draining soil with minimal watering. It needs full sun. 12th, tarragon. Growing from seeds instead of cuttings, leading to weak plants. Propagate tarragon from cuttings for the best results. Keep it in well-drained soil. 13. Chamomile. Overwatering and planting in full shade. Chamomile loves well-drained soil and partial sun. Avoid overwatering to keep it healthy. 14. Lemon balm. Letting it spread uncontrollably like mint. Fix. Grow in pots to control its spread and prune regularly for bushier growth. There you have it. The top herbs people grow wrong and exactly how to fix them. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the Beautiful Luxury, and share this with fellow gardeners. Stay tuned for more amazing gardening tips, and until next time, happy growing.